Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Marc Burban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
What should the insured do when an accident occurs to a third party in China?
So first of all, let me define the meaning of third party. So third party is any party with whom we do not have any labor contract or any party engaged in the case of contract work. So for instance, any party engaged to do a construction project. So when an accident occurs to a third party, the insured should first of all provide assistance for first aid treatment. So this is basically the duty of everyone to provide assistance to anyone insured or that has an accident.
What is worth the insured's special attention in case of such accidents in China?
So first of all, as we said earlier, the insured has the duty as everyone to provide assistance to an injured party, so to the third party. He must do that without any recognition of liability, responsibility. So this is a key issue. When an accident occurs, so the insured should provide assistance, but is without any acknowledgement of third party, whether by whether spoken or in writing. So also the insured should try to preserve any proof of accident to determine the degree of responsibility. For instance, in some restaurant, there is some camera to record what's occur in the restaurant, so it may be a proof, or it may be used to prove the responsibility of the insured. Of course, also to show some care and concern about the first party, to make sure that going forward there will be no issue with the insured when dealing with this third party.
What documentation shall the insured file to the insurer to get the indemnification?
So first of all, the claim notification, and also all kind of document materials that prove the insured is liable of a loss. So for instance, any notification received from third party holding the insured liable, and as we said earlier, if this is available, any video shooting about recording the accident, and also so in case of property damage, any report about the extent of the damage, with explanation and justification about the repair. In case of bodily injury, any medical report about the medical condition, and the necessity of doing some treatment. And of course, all invoices related to all kind of expenses incurred by the third party paid prior the indemnification. So regarding invoices, the insurer may request original copy of these invoices, and for the other supporting materials, he may require this material to be stamped by so if it's bodily injury, by the hospital or by the repair company in case of property damage.
Are there any difficulties when handling this type of claim?
So the key issue is to manage expectation from the third party, as they may try to get some benefit from the situation, from the accident. For instance, a family requested to the insurance company and the insured financial compensation for an operation, medical operation that may occur 2 or 3 years after an accident incurred by their daughter in a shop. Another example is a person injured in a fight in a bar, declined to provide the original copy of invoices, as he handed over these invoices to his medical insurer to be indemnified, and he would like to get another compensation for the same expenses from the under the public liability insurance of the insured. To manage expectation from the third party, it's very important to make sure that there are no limitation or exclusion regarding expenses indemnified under the policy wording, public liability policy wording. For instance, there are no restrictions in terms of medical facilities, access to private hospital. So the insured party must make a decision about where he or she want to be treated. Financial loss should be covered, so compensation for loss of income. So if financial loss are covered, there must be no limitation in terms of indemnities. In some policies, for instance, for loss of income, the limitation is 2-3 times the average wage of a worker within the city or the province for last year. So it might be an issue if the income of the insured party is well above this limit.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.